Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Shannon and I love rocks and gemstones, everything about them. And rock tumbling is one of my favorite hobbies. And today I'm going to show you my process of tumbling leopard skin jasper from start to finish. And I'll show you every stage of the way, pictures of the finished product, and at the end I'll give you my timeline and the recipe that I used to get these results. So leopard skin jasper is just a gorgeous variety of the jasper family, and it is a spotted stone. It's a multicolored spotted stone, so it could be anywhere from reds and pinks and yellows and beige, and it's got a lot of spots all over it, hence why they call it leopard skin jasper. And you can see that it takes a really high shine. Jaspers are Mohs hardness 7. They're also really tough and really durable in a rotary tumbler. So if you're new to tumbling, I highly recommend that you start with a jasper, because while it might take a little bit longer than some of the other stones, the results can be really incredible and they get really, really shiny. And leopard skin jasper in particular, there is so much variation in a single batch of rough that it's just really exciting to look through from week to week and look at all the different types of stones, the colors, the patterns. It's really beautiful. It's a really satisfying stone to tumble. So let's get started and let me show you the rough. All right, and the next stone that I'll be starting today is a little bit different. It's leopard skin jasper, and it's really pretty and hard to tell from the rough, as is with most rough. But the finished product of leopard skin jasper tends to be this nice spotted stone with varying shades of pinks and reds and browns, and it can be really lovely. And I have this nice rough here, and I'm feeling like a jasper today, so we're gonna get this started. We'll put this in one of our barrels with rough. This is the leopard skin jasper that has been in course for 1 week, and now we can actually start to see what this stone will actually look like. It's really hard to tell from just rough, but you see it's a dark pink or a dark burgundy and a pink, and it's spotted like a leopard, and it's got some different colors there. This batch still has a lot of, pointiness to it. That's what we're going to call it, pointiness. So I'm going to run this in course some more so that we can start to smooth out those edges. Look at that. That's super pretty. Wow. When you have batches of stones that are multicolored, it's really wonderful when you're a rock tumbler to pick through these batches and just see all the variation in them. It's fantastic. All right, I'll get these back in course for at least another week. The leopard skin jasper has finished 2 weeks in course, and it's still looking pretty rough around the edges, so it's going to need some more course. And this might be like the onyx, where it needed like 5 weeks of course. But it's looking pretty, and I love the variety of colors, and it's still fairly smooth. It just needs to be, it just needs to be ground down some more. So I'll put in some more ceramic media and get this back into course, but it's super pretty. I love the patterns and designs on this. So nice. If you like tumbling jaspers, I recommend getting a hold of some leopard skin. It's so pretty. All right, let's get this back in the barrel. This is the Leopard Skin Jasper, and it's been in course for, I believe, 3 weeks. And it's looking really nice. Look at those great colors. The stones are pretty smooth. You know, this is a stone that really wants to hold its shape. You see, it's got this kind of sharper, angular look to it, even after 3 weeks of course. Like, the surface is smooth, and it's getting away some of those cracks. But now I have to decide whether, yeah, I think I want to put it in course one more time, because I really think that we can get these a little more rounded, a little smoother, because we really want to make sure that the stones are in the shape that we prefer before we move on to the finer grits, because they are only going to smooth the surface. They are not going to really shape the stones at all. So yeah, we'll get the Leopard Skin Jasper back in course for another week. This is the Leopard Skin Jasper, and it's been in course for 4 weeks now. I could be wrong, but I know it's been a while. And it's looking super nice. I think it is going to go on to medium right now. And I am happy with the shape and the smoothness. And the only real crevices are like some natural pits in the rocks. But generally, they're looking super nice. And they've got a really nice, unique shape to them. And look at these colors. Yeah, I love this. This is super nice. Look at that. Like that deep pink and deep burgundy. All right, well, let me get these washed up and I'll get them on to their next phase. All right, this is the Leopard Skin Jasper, and it just finished a week in medium grit. It's feeling nice and smooth. Yeah. You know, this batch is turning out a little bit more angular, and I like it. Oh, look at those colors. Really nice. Such a variety in this batch. Like, I could look through this one forever. But yeah, it's feeling smooth and looking like it's ready for fine grit. And yeah, really nice. All right, let me get this washed up and moved on over to its next stage. The Leopard Skin Jasper has been in fine grit for 1 full week, and the exterior just feels so super smooth, and it's so pretty. All of these different colors. That mix of deep pink and deep red, and then some yellows mixed in. So pretty. So I'm gonna give these a really good wash and move these over to extra fine. Wow. So super pretty. Yeah. Look at those colors. All right, let's get these washed. Here is the Leopard Skin Jasper, and it has run a full week in extra fine, and it just feels so beautiful, and it looks gorgeous. Those colors are so nice, and it is ready, almost ready to go into polish. I'm gonna run it through some wash cycles and get it really super clean. And then we'll get this into polish. If you haven't tumbled leopard skin jasper before, I highly recommend it. There's such a great variety in colors, and each rock just looks different and really lovely. And so if you'd like to have some, nice surprises and some pops of color, leopard skin jasper is really lovely. All right, let's clean this up. The leopard skin jasper has been in polish for a week, and it's time to take a peek at it. So we'll take one right out of polish, give it a rinse, and give it a dry. Wow. Wow, that's shiny. Look at that. Wow, look how beautiful that is. Nice. Let's see. Try another one. Just give it a quick rinse, get the polish off. Quick dry. And yeah, there it is. Leopard skin jasper. So pretty. I'm really looking forward to seeing all of these cleaned and the different varieties of colors that I've been seeing throughout the whole process. Wow, this is really nice. So here, I'm just gonna look at one more. I'm really excited about these. And yeah, look at that. Look at that shine that it took. So nice. All right, well, we'll get these cleaned up, get these burnished, and then I will show you pictures of the finished product. Nice. Thank you so much for joining me today to watch my adventure tumbling leopard skin jasper. Wow, see that shine? That is such a shiny stone. I hope I've made you curious and you want to go out and get some leopard skin jasper rough yourself if you haven't tumbled it before, so that you can experience just that pleasure of like looking through your batch every single week and looking at the different types of stones. It's really wonderful. So if you're new to rock tumbling, if you haven't started before and you're curious, then make sure to check out my Rock Tumbling 101 online tutorial, and I'll leave the link to that below. And if you're an experienced rock tumbler and would like to see my methods for tumbling a different variety of stones, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll see whenever I post a new gemstone video. And I do post a weekly rock tumbling weekly video journal so that you can see all of my projects like real time as I'm doing them week to week. So I hope to see you again very soon. Thank you so much for joining me today.